remember my poultry project that I began only with one chick. Now here they are. This is the group of the chicken, and the project is doing well. It is just doing well. This project that you saw began with one hen. But now they are up to what you can see. Yes. They were few. Up to now I have almost 30 chickens. 30 chickens. And I believe the project grows daily, day after another. Yes, that is how they are. Those are my chicks. You remember I showed you when I began, and there we are. Here are the chicken. I began with only one hen, but now I have almost, I think they can reach 50. Yes, thank you for following. Find me on Facebook at Rev Samuel Wangwa. Find me at on YouTube at Rev Samuel Owino. Also on the TikTok Samuel Owino. Yes, God bless you. This is the progress that I'm doing. Also, you can see my okra farm. The okra farm is also doing well, as you can see. This is a project that I began. Yes, God bless you. And this is my farm. And you see I'm doing, what we call what? Water. I'm watering it. Thank you. God bless you.